Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. This saves time later. Make sure WSL2 and Virtual Machine Platform are enabled in Windows Features, then install the WSL kernel update. Once done, set WSL2 as the default with WSL set default version 2 because Docker Desktop relies on that backend. Next, run the Docker Desktop installer as administrator. Follow the prompts and accept the WSL2 integration option. You'll see the installer configure components. Stay patient while services initialize. Now you configure the backend and distro integration. Open Docker Desktop, go to Settings and ensure WSL2 is selected as the backend. This gives better performance than Hyper-V on many systems. Then head to Resources, WSL Integration, and toggle integration for your Ubuntu or other distro so containers run inside WSL. Make sure to adjust CPU, memory, and disk limits if you plan to run heavy workloads. These settings prevent resource contention. Once configured, apply and restart Docker Desktop so changes take effect. Finally, verify and troubleshoot basic failures. Run Docker version and Docker run Hello World. If both succeed, you're ready. If Docker won't start, make sure WSL is running, then execute WSL shutdown to force a clean restart of all distros and relaunch Docker Desktop. This often clears stuck states. If problems persist, open Docker Desktop Troubleshoot to collect logs and inspect Windows Event Viewer for service errors. Remember, restarting WSL or Docker usually fixes most startup issues. Use logs if deeper debugging is required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.